Vadodara, known as Sanskari Nagari, is the third largest city in the state of Gujarat, spread over 220.33 square kilometers and is home to more than 24 lakh inhabitants. The city is situated on the banks of the river Vishwamitri. Vadodara was ranked as the 10th cleanest city in India under the Swachh Sarvekshan survey conducted in 2020. Under the Smart City mission, there is a specific focus on improvement of critical infrastructure that directly affects the quality of life of citizens, namely water supply, street light, and improvement of general infrastructure. Vadodara Smart City Development Limited is executing the SCADA Phase 2 project encompassing water audit and control of secondary and tertiary distribution and energy audit of entire water distribution network. The total drinking water being supplied to the city of Vadodara is 550 MLD. The main water resources of Vadodara city are Ajwa Sarovar, Mahi River with 4 French wells, namely at Raika, Dodka, Fajalpur and Poicha, the Narmada Canal, and around 100 tube wells according to the new city limits. This raw water is treated in water treatment plants at Nimeta, Kanpur and Dodka. The water supply network is divided in 4 zones: north, east, south and west. The treated water is distributed across the city in all 4 zones through 30 overhead tanks and 22 booster pump houses. Distribution from overhead tanks into the water supply network is done manually by field operators on basis of thumb rules. Currently, there is no method of detecting leakages and tracking and measuring UFW, that is unaccounted flow of water in the water supply network. Now, under the aegis of Vadodara Smart City Development Limited, the water distribution system of Vadodara shall be monitored and controlled from a SCADA-based central monitoring and control station and from 4 SCADA zonal control stations, 1 in each zone. The SCADA system shall measure real-time and totalized flow at more than 3,500 key points. Critical water quality parameters like residual chlorine and TDS shall be measured by online sensors at various points along the network. SCADA-compatible multifunction energy meters shall measure various electrical parameters of pumps in the 62 pumping stations. Motor-actuated valves shall be installed in place of manual valves along with pressure transmitters. It shall be installed at critical nodes for automated and accurate distribution to different parts of the city. RTU and data logger panels shall transmit data, that is flow, pressure, water quality, wall position and energy through 4G modems to the central and zonal SCADA centers. This data shall be analyzed using analytical software to assist the municipal engineers to identify leakages, unauthorized supply and tappings, track and measure UFW and ensure equitable distribution to all parts of Vadodara. Monitor the quality of water being supplied to the residents of the city. Calculate efficiency and health of pumps along with a real-time and historical audit of energy consumption on account of pumping. The automated valves can also be remotely operated over GPRS communication from the SCADA center. The system shall generate instant alarms and alerts on the mobile apps of field engineers in case of anomalies beyond acceptable limits, enabling them to act expeditiously. Interacting reporting software shall make sure that the engineers remain on top of the water supply system at all times. In an era where water struggles are likely to engulf the world in general, and a populous country like India in particular, Water SCADA Phase 2 is a step in the right direction by VADODARA Smart City Development Limited to ensure water transparency, accountability and conservation using state-of-art and sustainable technology.